Hello, hello everyone. We will be learning simplifying rational algebraic expression. Ang saan na to pag-simplify, no, ang rational expressions. So first, ato sang mag-review ang mahitungod sa fractions because fractions are very related to rational expressions because fractions are rational man na sila, no? So, mag-review sa taong saan pag-simplify ang fractions. Okay, we have here the example. So, the target is to simplify ang mga fractions pag mo na simplify, meaning wala na sila common factor. Ang numerator o ang denominator, wala na sila common factors, no? So meaning atong tanggalon ang GCF nila, atong i-factor out ang GCF. So sa GCF ni 8 ug ni 16, so the GCF of 8 and 16 is 8, diba? Ato naman ang nahibalaan unsa ng GCF, the greatest common factor, no? Ato ang i-factor out. So 8 divided by 8, so 8 can be expressed as 8 times 1. And si 16 naman is 8 times 2. So kaning common factor nila 8, ato na ning i-cancel. So ang nabilin ana is 1/2, or that is 1/2. That means, ang simplest form ni 8/16 is 1/2. Ayun. Okay, proceed to sa number 2. Okay, so sa number 2, we have 12/15. Unsay GCF ni 12 o 15? Kay mao man natong i-factor out. So the GCF is, yes, correct. The GCF is 3. So, meaning si 3 ang atong igawas. So, 12 can be 3 times 4. And then si 15 naman is 3 times 5. So, atong i-cancel out si 3, ang common factor. Ang nabilin is 4/5, or that is 4/5. So, ang simplest form ni 12/15 is 4/5. So, tanawon nimo, wala na common factor or number nga pareha nga pwede ma-divide sa 4 o 5 except kay 1. So, mo ni iyahang simplest form. Now, darita sa 24/30. Sa may GCF ni 24 o 40. Ang ilang GCF is 6. Tama, 6. So, 24, pwede na siya mong 6 times 4. Diba? Unya, 6 times 5. So, ilang common factor is 6. So, ito cancel out. So, ang mabilin, 4/5. Meaning, 24/30 is equal to 4/5. Naka-simplest form na siya. And the last number, kani, 21/27. Unsa man ilang GCF? The GCF is, yes, 7. No? Muna ilang greatest common factor. So, 21 is 7 times 3, while 77 is 7 times 11. So, atong i-cancel out ang common factor. Ang nabilin is 3/11. Simplest form na nakaiwala na nabili na common factor ni 3 o ni 11. So, muni ang pag-simplify og fraction. Karon dirita sa simplifying rational algebraic expressions. Pero unsa nang rational algebraic expressions? It is an algebraic it is an algebraic expression that can be written as a fraction, diba? Fraction, so meaning na numerator na denominator. So where both the numerator, pares ka ganina, numerator and denominator are polynomials. So polynomials, kailan naman mo polynomial? It could be constant, it could be variable, or it could be product of constant and variable or variables. And so mo to ang numerator, denominator, polynomial, o niya ang denominator dapat dili 0. Itong number sa ubos dapat dili siya 0. Okay, mo na ang rational algebraic expression. Sige, example. Okay, atong i-simplify kaning algebraic expressions, kaning examples 1 and 2. So as you can see, ang atong numerator is a product of a constant and a variable kay 4a. Unya ang denominator po kaning sa ubos is also a product of a constant and a variable. So 4a over 12b. Parehas ka ganina, we will also identify the GCF or GCMF. Unsa ganina? Greatest common factor or greatest common monomial factor. Aning numerator o denominator. So atong i-identify unsa man ilang GCMF. So tanaw na to sa dirita sa constant 4 og sa 12. Unsa ilahang GCF? Yes, 4. No? Unya, sa variable tanaw ba sila common na variable? Wala. So meaning ang GCF lang aning 4a og 12b is 4. Okay, so mo na ang atong i-factor out. Okay, equals factor out na to. Igawas na to si 4. So 4a divided by 4, that will be a. No? Sunod. Ang sa ubos, the denominator. 12b divided by 4. Okay, that would be 12b divided by 4 is 3b. So, same ka ganina, i-cancel out ra ng common factor, no? Or ang GCF. So, ang nabilin mo na ang answer. Ang answer there, that would be a over 3b. So, muna ni ang simplest form sa 4a over 12b. Okay. Dito sa example number 2. Example number 2. So, kani, same. Mangita gyapon tag GCF or GCMF. Okay? Pero tanawon na to tanang terms, no? Common factor ni or GCF ni 4w squared, ni 6w ug ni 8w squared. Kay mo to atong i-gawas. So una ta sa constant ni 4, ni 6 ug ni 8 sa ilang GCF. Our greatest common factor, that would be yes, 2, no? 2. Dito sa variable, w squared, w squared. So, parehas sila, tanan na ay w. So, atong pilion tong pinakagamay og exponent. And that would be w ra. No? Kay 2 naman ang uban. So, meaning the GCF is 2w. Okay, so ato nang i-factor out si 4w squared, i-factor out nato si 2w. So, mahimo na ning 2w times 4w squared divided by 2w is 2w. Okay, manata sa numerator, dirita sa denominator. Okay, so igawas nato si 2w, gikan aning binomial sa ubos. So we have factor out 2w. So 6w divided by 2w, the result is 3. Okay, correct. And then, negative 8w squared divided by 2w is negative 4w. Okay? So, atong i-cancel out ang common factors. So, we have here, ang nabilin is 2w over 3 minus 4w. So, mo na niya ang ato ang simplest form. Gikan ana niya. Now, so as you can see, ma'am, napamalagi w diri. Yes, pero remember, binomial ni sa ubos. Si 4 na ay w, pero si 3 wala. So, dili na siya. Wala na sila'y common factor. Okay? So, another example. Okay, kini example number 3. As you can see, binomial ang numerator, binomial sad ang denominator. So, mag-identify gyapon tag GCF, pero unahon nato simplify sa nato ang numerator o denominator. Isa-isahon sa nato siya og simplify, no? So, kani ato ning i-simplify si 2x minus 2y. So, that will be goes na to ang common factor. So, may common factor ni 2x o ni 2y. Yes, or the GCF is 2. So, igawas na to si 2. So, 2x divided by 2, that would be x. And then, negative 2y divided by 2 is negative y. Okay. So, muna ang numerator. Dito sa denominator. So, remember, x squared minus y squared. Uy, this is difference of 2 squares, no? So, difference of 2 squares man siya. Pwede siya i-express as sum and difference, product of the sum and difference of the square root ani nila. So, mahimo ning x plus y times x minus y. Diba? Ang kaning ubos basta difference of 2 squares. Karon tan-awon nato ang bago nato nga gisolve. Naa ba sila common factor kay atong i-cancel out? Yes, pareha sila na ay x minus y sa numerator o denominator. So atong i-cancel out. So ang nabilin mo na ang simplest form. So ang nabilin we have 2 over x plus y. Okay, this is now the simplest form. Alright, next, number 4. Example number 4. Same. Puro siya binomial. Sa taas ug sa ubos. So, ato silang isa-isahon sa og simplify. Okay, unahon nato ang numerator. 2x minus 4. Unsa man ang GCF ani nila? That will be sa 2 ug sa 4, it's 2. Unya, wala may variable. Ang isa, so 2 ra ang common factor. So 2, kawas na to si 2. 2x divided by 2, that would be x. And negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Okay? Mana nato na factor out. Then there is sa ubos. Kani, x squared minus 4. Uy, x squared, perfect square. Si 4 pod, perfect square. So, meaning this is difference of 2 squares. So, pwede gyapon siya product of the sum and difference of the square roots. Okay, so mahimo ni siyang x. Square root of x squared is x. And then plus the square root of 4 is 2. And then ang isa is ang difference. We have x minus 2. Okay? So, naabay common factor? Yes, naa ang x minus 2. So, atong i-cancel out. Ang nabilin, mauna na siya ang simplest form. So, 2 over x plus 2. Mauna ni ang simplest form. Okay. And the last example. Example number 5. Alright. So, as you can see, ang taas is binomial. Ang ubos is monomial. So, this time, Ato na lang tanawon ang ilahang GCF, no? Or GCMF ani nila. Okay, unsa ang GCMF is, tanaw na to, unsa may GCF ni 6, ni 4, o ni 8. Yes, that would be 2. Dirita sa variable a squared, unya a squared. So pareha na yung mga a, but the one with the smallest exponent is a. Okay, a. Sunod sa b, puro ba na b? Yes, puro na. We have b squared, na dari b, na apoy b. So, ang pinakagamay exponent na b is b. Alright? And c. Nabay C? Nabay C sila tanan. Diri walay C. Diri naa, diri naa. So, meaning na isa wala. So, dili common factor C. Therefore, ang ilang GCMF is 2AB. Okay, so atong i-factor out C, 2AB. Okay, 6AB squared divided by 2AB, that would be 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. A divided by A is 1, or ato na lang i-cancel out. And B squared divided by B is B. So, 3B. Sunod. Nata, dirita negative 4A squared B squared divided by 2AB. That will be negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. A squared divided by A is A. And then, B divided by B is 1. Or cancel out na lang. And then, C. No? C. Wala may C. So, pabilin C. C. Mana ang ato ang numerator. Na dirita sa denominator. Kawas na to C. 2AB. 2AB. Okay? So, negative 8A squared BC divided by 2AB. That would be negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. A squared divided by A is A. And then B divided by B is 1, or cancel out na lang. And then C. No, C. Alright. So, ang common factor to AB, itong i-cancel out, ang nabilin ng mga expressions, muna na ang answer. So, we have 3B minus 2AC over negative 4AC. Alright. So, muna ni iyahang simplest form. As you can see, wala na sila common factor. O si 3, si 2, si negative 4. Wala na po'y diri wala may A ug C diri, no? So, dili na siyang hulog nga common factor. Bisag naa pa diri si AC sa duha, pero dili man sa ilang tanan. So, dili siya common factor. So, that's it. And I hope na mo'y nasabtan. So, I guess you're now ready for activity. Thank you for watching.